You heard the term business analyst and also data analyst, and you wonder what could be the difference between these two. But not to worry, in this video, I will tell you every single thing you need to know about it. Now let's get into it. Now, what does a business analyst do? Now, a business analyst focuses on understanding the business needs. They also gather the requirements that are needed. They also work with cross-functional teams and departments, set the right processes to ensure that at the end of the day, it aligns to the business needs. They also need to apply a project management skills to ensure that tasks are being set with deadlines, and at the end of the day, it meets with the organization goals as well. Now, they also apply statistical analytical approaches to be able to derive insights, get trends, patterns, and also identify the problems and opportunities, and also give strategic recommendations as well to the organization. Now you understand and you know what a business analyst would do, but let's figure out what a data analyst is. Now, a data analyst focuses using the data being provided to be able to derive insights, trends, and patterns that will help businesses make informed decisions using statistical approaches. So now you know exactly what a business analyst is and also what a data analyst is. I hope this will help guide you in making that right choice for your career. Now, if you love this video content, please do want to give this video a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, and also share, and also turn up your notification bell as well.